So today we're going to do a little bit of learning about science and about seeds, and hopefully we'll be able to grow our own seeds. So I've got lots of different packets of seeds, and we're going to talk about all the different types of seeds that we have. We're going to talk about how they grow and how you can grow them as well. And I've got some little friends here to help as well. We've got Ronan, he's a little llama, and we've got Teddy. He's a little sloth, and they're not very good at science because they've never been to school. So they are going to learn with us all about seeds today as well, aren't you? Yes, you are. So Ronan's going to help us today. Ronan's our friendly little llama. And Ronan, what did you want to learn about seeds? You told me earlier on you wanted to learn something about seeds. What? Oh, right. Ronan wants to learn about the different types of seeds, don't you? Yes, he does. So over here, we've got a bean seed. This grows into these kind of French beans, these long things here. Here we've got a pumpkin seed. That grows into the pumpkins we have at Halloween. Here we've got a tiny little radish seed, and they're round. And here we've got some fluffy seeds, and they grow into some beautiful wildflowers. And we've got a sunflower seed. You probably know that from sunflowers that you eat, do you? Yes? Oh, you like sunflowers, don't you? Very tasty. And over here, wait till you see these, Ronan. Yes, this is exciting. Look at these ones here. What? No, they are there. You just need to look a little bit more closely. Look. Oh my goodness, they are so tiny. These floss flower seeds, they are so tiny, they blow away in the wind. No, you're not going to blow away in the wind, don't worry. Just these little seeds blow away in the wind. Right, where's Teddy? Are you ready to learn? Oh, there he is. You ready to learn? So, I'm going to tell you about what happens with the seed. So this top part of the seed, yes, that's it. Well, something grows out of there, and that turns into the stem and the leaves, okay? And this bit on the bottom, yes, that bit there, that turns into the roots, and they look and seek out water and nutrients. Do you understand? Good. Now, we're going to plant some seeds. You could, a bit like Teddy and Ronan have done here, they went to the supermarket with their dad to go and buy some packets of seeds. You can see they've got French bean seeds, pumpkin seeds and radish seeds. Or you could actually get seeds from your fridge. If you have a look carefully at some things in your fridge, like a melon, you can see there are lots of seeds there. Or even a tomato has seeds in it as well. And all you need to do is take one of those seeds and leave it out on the windowsill to dry, and then it will be ready for planting. Right, Ronan, where are you? Oh, there you are. Are you ready to plant your own seed now? Excellent, good. What would you like to plant? A pumpkin seed. Good idea. Right, we're going to need something to plant it in. So have you got something? Maybe a flower pot? No? Do you know what? You could just use a tin. Hang on a minute. I can see a tin there. Well done, Ronan, for finding that tin. Now, have a look inside. What do you notice? Oh yes, it's painted white. That means we can use that tin for planting. Now, if it's just an ordinary tin, we can't use it because it will go rusty. But we can use this one, so well done. Or we could use a flower pot. Thank you, Ronan. We could use a flower pot as well. So now, something very important. If you're using a tin, make sure you check with an adult at home first of all, because sometimes the edges can be a little bit sharp. So ask an adult to do that for you, okay? Now, where's Teddy gone? Oh, there he is. Right, oh Teddy, you've brought in some compost. That's brilliant. Oh no, don't get too messy in there. Now, you can use compost from a bag from a garden centre or from a supermarket, or do you know you actually could just use some soil from the garden. Just make sure there's no slugs or worms in it. Slugs and worms don't like to be inside, so we'll keep them out in the garden. But we've got some compost here. Are you ready to use it? Excellent. Right, let's start by putting the compost into the tin or the flower pot. That's it. You should really be wearing gloves there, I think. Okay, pat it down. And we filled it up to nearly at the top, but not quite. Okay, and remember, have to get an adult to help you because some of these edges might be a little bit sharp. Or we could do it in the flower pot as well. All right, Teddy's filled up some into the flower pot now as well. Now we need to get our seed. Where is it? There it is. Good, let's pick that up and let's put it into our pot, okay? Okay, Ronan and Teddy, I'll maybe do this part. We'll take the seed and we need to make sure that the top of the seed is pointing up, okay, so that it knows to grow up towards the light. And can you see how I've just poked it into the soil there, poked it into the compost? And all we need to do is just sprinkle a little bit of compost on top just to cover it up, to keep it warm and to make sure it grows towards the light. Yeah, and we'll push it down a little bit firm, not too hard though. Okay, does that make sense? Okay, right, now the seed needs something else. It's got food and nutrients in the soil. We're going to put it on the windowsill so it gets plenty of light. Now it needs some water. Oh, Ronan's got some water. Thank you, Ronan. Right, careful. Lift it very carefully. And we're just going to pour a little bit of water in just to make the soil wet. That's enough. There we go. And now we're going to put it onto the windowsill. That's a perfect place you found for that, Teddy. On the windowsill, in the sun, and that seed will start to grow now. And here are some seeds that Ronan and Teddy grew earlier. The ones in the tins here, they are tomato plants. And let's have a look under here. What's this? There's a pepper plant starting to grow next to Ronan. Excellent. And what we've done is we've put half a bottle over the top just to keep it really, really hot. Because peppers and tomatoes, they grow in hot countries. So they like these little mini greenhouses. But ask an adult to cut the bottle for you if you do that. Okay, thank you, Ronan and Teddy, for helping us out with that. Did you enjoy that? Excellent. Now, I think we need to do two things now. What do you think we need to do? That's right. We need to clean up this mess and we must wash our hands. And I'd love to see what your plants look like once they start growing in a few weeks. Bye.